Hello guys, good day. This is Euro USD and we are currently on monthly time frame. This is our January candlestick. You guys can see. Not this one. Hold on guys. Not this one. I am talking about this red one. Okay. So this is our candlestick of January and it's a very good bearish candle, a very strong one. So let's recap from the beginning. This is the bottom which created from far left side that created this top, and we had a double top here in the month of August, then pushed the price back here on November or on October, and again we got a double bottom. Again the price went up and it created a double bottom in respect of this green and red, and actually this is a triple top. Can you guys see this green red, and now it has pushed the price back here. And if we measure the range here, sorry, I'm speaking a little bit fast so I can cover a lot of the areas I want to show you guys. This is 50% and this is February candlestick. So in February it tried to take out a little bit of here, and now you guys can see that it had crossed the 50% mark in February. Actually in January it did, and February it is still bearish, but we don't know why the price stopped here, why it didn't came down more. So the take from February, we can say from this week analysis is this, that we had a double top sorry, of the month, and it got made the market bearish. Now I would like to remove all these things. I don't want the things to make clumsy, and I please draw your own price zone. I decided to make the chart more clean. So this is the price range from here, and this is here. We could have been considered the price range here, but as the double top we are considering, this should be taken into consideration because this is the depth of the market we need to take under consideration. So this is the range we have, so keep it in mind. For short note, what I suggest is this, that one thing you can do, you can put a tag here, something like this. Okay guys, just that this is the thing you need to take care. If the price reach here, it is breaking 2 months old top. One thing done. Second thing, the thing we have to take, the reason I cancel the price zone, because I want to show you, introduce the what you call the liquidity or the imbalance in the market. So this is the imbalance has been created so far in the market. This is one imbalance, and I want to put it in red. Where is red? This is the red, and I want to make it a little bit heavy red, and I want to make the color also red, but I want to make it a little bit deeper. So we understand this is a imbalance has been created here. This price has not been addressed. On the other side, if we go here, this was the imbalance created in month which has not been yet addressed. Okay, so these are the two places where the price has to go and correct the market. This is all for monthly time frame. Let's go to weekly. And weekly, in previous video I have shown you clearly that if we draw the trend line, this is our trend line. Okay guys, this is the trend line we had in weekly, and it has just touched that area. So this is one area why the price has been stopped here. For this weekly trend line, it is touching. We don't know whether it will break down or it will start get bullish from here. So this is a very vital point to be noted, that it has touched the weekly trend line. This is one thing, please keep it in mind. I don't want this 50% anymore, because it doesn't have that appeal in implication at the moment, so we would like to remove it. So again, if we analyze the weekly, we can see that we got a little bit imbalance here. Can you guys see this red and this green shadow top imbalance has been left here? Then there is no imbalance in this candle. It has been taken out by this green bottom shadow and this red candle upper shadow. Everything has been taken out. This candle has been taken out by this and this both. So nothing much left on the weekly, but in the monthly, of course, a severe imbalance has been taken place. This has to be noted. So market need to be corrected here. This is one. So getting back to weekly, we don't have any double bottom, so still the price has stopped in my opinion due to this weekly trend line what I have drawn here. It has been drawn actually in 3 weeks back, and I was expecting the price here, though I didn't take any trade. Now coming back to day, and still if we see the day curve here, the day curve has been broken. The day trend line has been broken, so I don't see any implication of it. But so far if you guys can see that it has not been taken out the previous bottom of the day. It has not been. Still we are in bullish still until this area is being broken. Now we had a double top here and that pushed the price in monthly, and in daily we can signify, actually monthly it has been pushed from here, but in daily it has been actually pushed from here. If we enable the monthly black line, this guy, we may see a little bit better, I think. So let's enable it in day time frame. Okay, so what we can see now, you see guys, this is the top that has been achieved in month. If you can go there, this was the line we drawn in month, so this was the top. It should come down a little. It was, hold on guys, let me set it out properly. Am I correct? Okay, let's go to daily. So in daily, this was the area. From here it has been pushed back. So this is our range of the daily bottom and top, but we didn't have any double top on daily, so we don't know why this has caused this to push the price like this. So we went back to 4 hourly and we can see something, I hope. So you guys can see this is the place. From here it got the double bottom and it pushed the price in 4 hourly to this extent. Coming back to day time frame, now this was the box I have drawn. Let me take it out for a few seconds so we can see a lot of things here. We will enable it later, don't worry. So this was the box I drawn that it was ranging for a long time, and it tried to break once it touched the weekly trend line and it started moving up inside the box. Again it has been rejected from inside the box, and at that time I told clearly that if the box if it breaks the box, at least it should come 50%. Can you guys see this was the total box? So my assumption was it would come 50%, and it did. Okay, so it did. Now question is whether it will fulfill its full journey of this box range, which is 140 pips if I am not wrong. If you see, this is 144 pips, and if we do the same from here to here, a little bit more, sorry, this is our box 144, a little bit less or more. It should be a little bit something like this. So what we should do now? So one reason the price has stopped here due to this weekly trend line. The second thing I have marked that it has been stopped by this 4 hourly price, this price which made the whole market bullish. From here you guys can see on December 13th 2023 the market pop, it went up like this. So, and if we draw a line here, here. Can you guys do the thing? Yes, we can. In 4 hourly we use this color, we need the line, so you guys can see very clearly that this is a two resistance. So one is the weekly and one is coming from the day 4 hourly time frame. Yes, this is the thing which made the price started moving bullish. So this is a very huge level, you can say very good support. So the range, if we want to draw, this is the range we have to draw in 4 hourly. Actually this is the range we have, and if we do it in the old time ways, this is the thing exactly to be like this. Okay, I want it to be less in color so we don't mix up with anything else. Less density color. So this was the place, and let's remove the lines. I don't want them. No, I don't want the lines. So the box will do the job. So this is a support level which has been supported by both the weekly trend line as well as the 4 hour double bottom. So keep that in mind, and we are seeing that price tried at the last 4 hours on Friday, it tried to move upward, it failed, and it is retesting again. So let's get back to really what will happen now. Question is the $1 million question, what we will do now. First of all, if it needs to move upward, we don't see any liquidity left, actually, to be honest with you. If you see, there is a little bit liquidity here, it has been taken out here already. Now a little bit the liquidity we can see this red guy has created, it has never been tested yet. So something is left here, a little bit liquidity. If you want me to draw, I can say this is the liquidity at the moment. Nothing has been tested, the price has never gone after coming down here. So what we will do, my suggestion is simple, very simple. It will not breach this area so easily, because we have two things here. One is this weekly guy, I need to enable it in there so you guys can see. So this is one support in from 4 hourly we have. On the counterpart, it has already reached to the weekly trend line, and also if we extend this, we can see that it has already reached 50% of the box size. The ranging zone 50% has been reached. So the market needs to move up. If the market needs to move up, it needs liquidity, and the only liquidity we have right at the moment is here. On the monthly chart, you can see that this price range has never been addressed in between the upper shadow of this candlestick and the lower shadow of this candlestick. Okay guys, and once it take out this liquidity, only then I think it will move up. I don't because it has tried the liquidity of the top in the last 2 days of Friday, though it is a monthly chart candle. Friday, this is February and this is January, and it tried on Thursday and Friday to take out this liquidity, but it failed. It didn't reach that much. If we go to let's do something here tricky so we understand what we are doing. So if we go to daily, so this was the January 31st, and our liquidity, let it take out for a moment from day, the range, we'll bring it back, don't worry. In month, if we bring this liquidity in day time frame visualization, you guys can see that this liquidity has just little been touched once. A lot of liquidity has been left here. It has never been tried. The liquidity is lying exactly as it is. It has never been tested or tried. So this is a high liquidity need to be addressed, and let us bring us back our for this ranging chart. ranging box, otherwise we will be lost what we are doing. Let's go to day time frame. Okay, so this is what is happening there. This is the last week we have, and we have a very big bullish candle, bearish candle, almost solid as much as possible, but it failed to break the previous shadow. I mean, Thursday candle was bullish, but it failed to break the shadow. So still I see bullishness, and the lead I would like to create for you guys is why is this? This is the thing. I will take the trade here, and it will be short, not what you can say. It will be so. I will do short at 1.08 because it needs to mitigate this area. If it even wants to come, this is the only liquidity we left in the day time frame. Let me mark it. That is the best thing to do. So this is the only liquidity we have left in day time frame. So I want to change the color of day, and this is also to be. This is the liquidity area we left in day time frame. So we need to take out this liquidity. So the thing I will do, let me put it back on the back side. Visualization is looking odd. Send back. Now it is better. I can see the candlestick properly. So I will take the trade somewhere here, and it will retest. Believe me, it will come down here with a green candle and try to break this line, this line, this box, the green and the blue line of the box. It will try to break it. It tried once, twice, thrice, then it break it, but now I need a retest of a day. So first thing first is go short, and I will go a little bit higher, 1.0867, and stop loss will be a little bit higher. Let's go for the tweak, the shadow, 1.0897, 1.0897. So most of the people actually do, they will give the short here and stop loss above. Let's do that. Let's be conservative. High probable trade we will do. We don't want to give our money to the market. 97, and this is we are targeting now for short. 95 is better. Okay, 95 is better, and we'll stop loss 1010910, 15 pips. And TP, first take profit I want to do is it will try to break this line, this guy, this I want to highlight this. Hold on guys, to make it a little bit deep, a little bit deep now, and also I want to bring it front above all. Okay, it is on the top right now. So target profit, if it want to retest, go there and come back to retest, it will be a little bit higher. It will be 1.0796. Or let's say 96. Let's put it 1800. So once it touch here, then what will happen? Already it has covered 50%. We have to take out our trade and wait if it breaks this line. If it breaks this line and retest with a green, it must retest something like this. Let me show you that it will come like from here. It will come like this, and then try to retest, then it will come here. Okay guys, so if I draw something like this, it will come here. Let's make it, what color is that? Let's make it black. It will come here, then we'll take the trade, and we expect this to be from here to here somewhere. Okay, then we have to wait. If it breaks it down, come to the same support level, what it will do, it will retest this zone, this trend line, and if it fails, then we initiate the second trade from here to this. So our next target will be here, not actually here, something like this, up to this level, which is 10707. So take profit 2, I want 1.0707, almost James Bond. Okay guys, that is it for Euro USD. Sorry, the video took long, but I need to explain you the logic behind what I am trying to do. So I will wait the market to go to some place, let's say here, retest this zone, and if it then I will take the trade, and I will take the trade, and the first take profit will be somewhere here above the what you say, the weekly trend line. Then if it is broken, I will wait, I will take profit out of it. Already TP1 achieved, and I will be out of it. Then it will come here, get the support, again retest the trend line, and if it fails the trend line, then it will move to this region. It will break the support and it will come here. Then the second target profit, we will initiate the second trade from here. Thank you very much for watching, and guys, I will really appreciate if you are kind enough to subscribe. A lot of you guys has been doing subscribing to the channel, and I really appreciate that for watching the video. Thank you very much. Take care. Make your own risk management, and also be patient. This market requires 3 things. 1, patience. 2, a better entry. 3, stick to your strategy. Stick to your strategy. Don't forget everything. The stop loss is there, so don't worry. Stick to your strategy. Thank you very much.